Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Here you can see we have a beautiful 1984 Ford Mustang GT. It is all original. Even has the original fog lamps, which I'll show you, or the covers, excuse me. I'll show you a little bit later when we get it up in the air. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It does have that 5.0 V8. Original T-tops. They are locking T-tops. Does have the bag for those T-tops in the trunk. But overall, this thing is awesome. It drives absolutely amazing. There's no hiccups, nothing. You'll see it being driven a little bit later here in the video. We're just walking around right now, showing you guys the outside in the sunlight. So in the video, we'll also have it running. We'll have the hood up so you can see the engine compartment. We'll dive into the interior, take you along for a little test drive, and then also show you guys the undercarriage. And again, it is a 1984 Mustang GT. So let's go ahead, pop into the interior and show you guys the inside. All right, we opened the door. You can see there in perfect shape. The carpets, everything in great condition. The cloth seats, both driver and passenger, very good. No rips, no tears. You can see there the rear seats. It does have a short throw Hurst shifter. It is a 5-speed manual. It does have a newer Sony head unit in it. As well, it does come with the original radio. I do want to show you guys something. 65,321 original miles. AC controls there. I mean, this thing is in beautiful shape for the year, the miles, everything. We'll get a lot. Look at those T-tops there. You can see the lock there and everything. So let's go ahead, fire this thing up, take you guys along for a little ride. All right, everyone, we are driving in the Mustang. This thing is just absolutely phenomenal for a driver. Clutch is amazing. It shifts very well. Let's go back in here to second, up the driveway here. No hiccups. Short throw shifter there, very tight. Let's go ahead, park this thing, have the hood open so you can see it running, and on to the next. All right, guys, we have the Mustang up in the air. And as mentioned before, we do have the original fog light covers there. All the time since 1984 they've been on there. And then we're looking at the front. This is the passenger side here. And the driver's side front, those power disc brakes. And as we make our way back, you can see the muffler, the floors, the drive shaft. Make our way back to the rear axle here. You can see the passenger side and the driver's side. There's the diff housing there. Underneath the gas tank, the rear end. Let's go ahead, pan around to underneath the driver door. We'll get it around to the passenger door and then get it back on the ground and outside for you. So let's go ahead, look at the passenger side real quick. And next time you'll see it, it'll be outside. Back outside, parked, engine bay visible. You can see there that 5-liter V8. Let's go around back here so we can get an exhaust note. It is pretty quiet at idle. You can see there. Still overall great car. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. There'll be a link to it on our website in the description below, as well as a number that you can call. So please feel free to call us if you have any questions or you want to hear anything about this car. And thanks again for watching.